Flower friends, I had to stop and show you this. I'm on my way to walk the dog before I head to the warehouse, and I have two exciting things to share with you, but look at this. We have started collecting bags of leaves for the cool flower garden, which is just bustling like crazy, right? You can see my deer fence is up and lit. Oh my goodness, y'all. Stuff is just, even though we haven't had rain here for 37 days, right? So I am just heading out to walk Tucker. And this morning, before I even came out, Andrew came and went and picked up these bales of straw. This is the time of year, y'all. A lot of people have straw that they use for Halloween events, and we get them and use them for different things here around the farm, so don't miss that opportunity. I also wanted to say I am so excited that tonight I'll be live on YouTube at 8 p.m. because I have opened the doors to boot camp again. Boot camp starts in 1 week, and I just want every single student of mine to have that opportunity, because friends, it is about getting you out of the ditch, because I get in ditches and the only way we get out is to pull together. And so boot camp is 7 live group teaching sessions in addition to all the school content that I'm going to walk you through over the next couple of months. And all students enrolled by tomorrow night, which I think tomorrow's the 8th, will be invited. So you can comment boot camp here and that'll DM you a link to go check it out. I hope you join me tonight, because friends, we are doing something a little different. I'm gonna walk you through imagining where you could be as a cut flower farmer. And I hope you'll join me. So YouTube tonight, today is the 7th, 8 p.m. Eastern time on my YouTube channel. You can comment boot camp here. I would love to see you inside of Flower Farming School. If you're already my student, you're already in boot camp. You're coming. You're going to be invited. You would have gotten an email earlier today with the live link. And y'all, it is going to be the best. It is my hand to you for us to walk through this and to come through the winter, and for you to come out as a confident, equipped flower farmer. And that's what school does, but it's hard to get in there and get started sometimes. I want to be there to help you through the difficulties and the failures. And friends, let's do this. So hope to see you tonight. Comment boot camp, and I will take my dog for a walk and then get up to the office and take care of business. All right, friends, till we meet again. Ciao.